Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James at the Chart Guys. It's Wednesday, April 5th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, after having this inside candle bull break, again, inside candle is when the high and low of the candle is within the range of the previous high and low. And on an uptrend, it usually signals continuation when it's a bull break. And once we got that bull break yesterday, we had a nice upside and continuation today. We were coming up to this 50 MA on the daily. And if you look at the hourly coming up to that 50 MA, extremely oversold here on this big run up going into inventory reports. So the fact that it's so overbought, and the fact that it's so overbought, it makes it really difficult that even if with a bullish inventory report that that oil would continue higher and take out the 50 MA as resistance on the first try. So clearly after the inventory reports, we had a bearish reaction. And once we broke the low of today, we can look for some further consolidation here. So the low of today was 50.86, and now we're breaking lower. The next support I'm looking at here on the hourly is going to be the high of this candle here. You can see it was previously tough resistance with this long upper wick of 50.64, and then the low here of 49.88. It's a big red flag for oil to continue higher if it breaks below 49.88. Really want to stay above this 50.64 range. And if you look at the daily, we already broke below the breakout of the inside candle here, which was the high at 50.83, and then the low of 50.12 may provide support, but I'm really looking for potentially a back test here of the 8 EMA as it moves up tomorrow. So we'll see if we get a bounce off the 8 EMA. We got the first test yesterday, bounced right there. So we'll look at this 8 EMA on the daily and see if we can continue this oil rally. We did see a bearish reversal off this 50 EMA, so consolidation is coming. Just how much it consolidates, we won't know until we find some support. So look for those hourly supports, and then if we lose those hourly supports, if we hold those hourly supports, look at this 8 EMA as it moves up on the daily to provide a bounce for oil bulls. But after such a big move up, some consolidation is healthy and expected. And so this 50 MA is going to be clear resistance. The hourly was oversold. Let me see what the RSI is now. The RSI on the hourly is cooling back down. It's resetting here as we head back down to potentially make another move up after consolidation. And the next hourly support to look at for as far as moving averages go, besides the price here, is going to be this 50 MA here as it moves up. Potentially the 50 MA as it moves up, lining up perfectly with this this support that I mentioned, the high here of 50.64, previous resistance, now could provide strong support. So you can see that we moved above it here. We back tested on this candle and held it. So we'll see if it can hold on another back test here of this level here with that 100 MA moving up where it bounced from previously. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.